What's up, guys? Today I'm going to try to solve this Rubik's Cube upside down, but I'm not actually going to be upside down. I'm going to use these that turn everything upside down. This is kind of weird. Okay, so let's scramble the cube first. Alright, put on the goggles. Oh no. Okay. How do I turn that? Oh, this is so weird. How do I get that? Oh, that's... Okay. Oh no.
How do I do that? This one? No.
Okay, wait, so let me just... Oh, wait. Yes, I got one piece. How do I turn that? Is that 2 pieces? Yes! 2 pieces! I solved the cross! Oh, I hate this so much. How do I hold this right? Wait, turn that back. Oh, wait. Okay, wait.
Oh my god, this is so hard. I really don't like this. Okay, keep going. Okay, I'm almost done with the first layer.
Yes, I'm done with the first layer. I'm so scared for, like, the PLL and OLL. Wait. How do I hold it that way? Like, I have to hold it, like... Yes. Got one piece. Wait, no, what? Oh my gosh, I really don't like this. Wait, what? Okay. my gosh, this is not good. This is so hard. Let me try to tighten these real quick. Tighten it. Oh, that did not tighten it. Alright, where am I? No, okay. Wait, how do I get that out? I'm not cheating. Okay, that's what I... This is so hard. Oh no. Like, I'm forgetting simple algorithms. Did I do it? Yes, oh my gosh. Alright. Where are my thumbs supposed to go? Here, okay. No, wait, what did I do? Okay, this is an A perm. This is easy. Hopefully. I just need to... Oh my gosh.